Look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi. It's on, huh?
It's fucking on. What the fuck? It's fucking on.
Why do you have it on?
Because I want to talk to somebody.
Hey. So you expect somebody to fall for that shit? Like, look at shit. Like, oh, look at the camera. Hey, you should go shut this shit.
Just talk to it.
Oh, that's like it.
Don't be a douche. Hey. What am I doing? Why are you recording? You're recording. Then why would I fucking talk to the camera? Shut up. What the fuck would I talk to a camera? Why would I talk to the camera? It's just like... Because I want you. What if I just wait?